Are you tired of missing out on the latest and greatest cryptocurrency investments? Do you want to ride the wave of the next big thing, but you're not sure where to start? Well, my friend, you're in luck. Today, we're going to talk about the AI crypto coins that have the potential to skyrocket your profits to the moon and beyond. We're talking about AI and crypto, two of the hottest topics in the tech world, combined into one game-changing investment opportunity. The coins we're going to talk about today are not just your average crypto coins. They are powered by artificial intelligence, which means they have the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology, businesses, and even government. So, if you're looking for the next big investment opportunity, stick around because we're about to show you why you should be investing in these AI crypto coins right now. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like these. First on our list is Fetchai, an exciting project that combines blockchain and AI technology to revolutionize the way businesses operate. Fetchai is a decentralized platform that aims to make connecting with other businesses and automating workflows easier and more efficient. With Fetchai, users can leverage their data to create new opportunities, innovate their business model, and generate new revenue streams. One of the platform's key features is its smart contract functionality, which enables self-executing programs that automatically enforce agreements between two parties. These features ensure transparency and security in various industries, including financial transactions and supply chain management. What makes Fetchai unique is its ability to create digital agents that can interact with each other and perform tasks on behalf of their owners. Imagine having a digital assistant that can automate your business processes, reducing your operational costs and saving you time. The platform's focus on machine learning also makes it ideal for creating intelligent agents that can learn and adapt over time. For example, you can train an agent on historical stock data to predict future stock prices, potentially leading to significant financial gains. To use the platform's services, you'll need the FET token, which is the currency of the Fetch.ai network. You can use the FET to pay for services provided by autonomous agents on the platform, such as accessing data or having an agent perform a task. Fetchai has partnerships with leading companies, including Bosch and Deutsche Telekom, and is expected to grow rapidly in the near future. Currently priced at around 44 cents with a market cap of just over $450 million, Fetchai is an exciting project that aims to provide automation to decentralized finance. We believe that Fetchai has an amazing project with a great team and a lot of hype. It's no wonder that the platform has previously seen all-time highs of $1.17. With a market cap prediction of $1.5 billion in the next few months, you could potentially make around $1,000 in profit, which is a $500 investment at the current price. Next up, we have Ocean Protocol, a really cool blockchain-powered data exchange protocol that is aiming to revolutionize the way we share and monetize data. So, what is Ocean Protocol? Well, it's a decentralized platform that allows individuals, companies, and organizations to share and monetize their data in a secure and private way. The platform is built on blockchain technology, which means that it's super secure and transparent. One of the really exciting things about Ocean Protocol is its focus on data privacy. It uses compute-to-data technology to keep your data safe and secure while still allowing for data analysis. This means that your data stays in your custody, and computations are performed on encrypted data. Only the results of computations are shared, ensuring that your data is not exposed to unauthorized parties. Another awesome thing about Ocean Protocol is its governance framework. This enables community members to propose and vote on changes to the protocol, making sure that the platform evolves in a transparent and democratic way. In terms of its technical architecture, Ocean Protocol is built on Ethereum, a popular blockchain platform. It uses a multi-token model where Ocean is the main utility token that is used to access and exchange data. There is also a governance token, Ocean DAO, which is used for voting on protocol changes. So, what are some of the applications of Ocean Protocol? Well, it has use cases across a wide range of industries, including healthcare, finance, and agriculture. In healthcare, it can be used to securely share and analyze patient data while ensuring privacy and consent. In finance, it can be used to securely share financial data for risk assessment and fraud detection. And in agriculture, it can be used to share data on crop yields and weather patterns for better crop management. At the moment, the Ocean token is priced at around 39 cents, with a market cap of over $169 million. It has partnerships with some big names like Unilever and Roche, and we believe it has great potential for growth. Even though it's currently down 79% from its all-time high of $1.90, we think it could hit a price target of at least $3. So if you invest just $500 at the current price, you could potentially make around $3,300 in profit if the token hits just $3. SingularityNET is a really exciting project that aims to create a decentralized marketplace for AI services and products. Essentially, it's a platform that connects AI developers, providers, and users, making it easy for developers to monetize their work and for users to access AI technology. One of the really unique things about SingularityNET is its focus on democratizing AI. The platform is designed to make AI accessible to everyone, regardless of technical expertise or financial resources. By creating a decentralized marketplace, SingularityNET is helping to break down the barriers that have traditionally prevented small businesses, startups, and individual developers from accessing the power of AI. At the heart of SingularityNET is a set of tools and protocols that make it easy to create and deploy AI services. These tools include a variety of APIs and frameworks that make it easy to develop and train machine learning models, as well as tools for natural language processing and computer vision. Once an AI service is created, it can be deployed on the SingularityNET platform, where it can be used by businesses and developers around the world. The platform is designed to be flexible and scalable, so that it can accommodate a wide range of use cases and applications. SingularityNET is built on top of blockchain technology, which provides a number of benefits. For one, it ensures that the platform is decentralized and secure, which is critical for any application that handles sensitive data. Additionally, blockchain technology makes it easy to track transactions and ensure that payments are processed quickly and securely. SingularityNET has a strong team of advisors and partners, including leading AI researchers and developers. The project has already gained a lot of attention in the AI community and has the potential to be a major player in the growing market for AI services. Currently priced at around 47 cents, with a market cap of over $566 million, SingularityNET is a decentralized marketplace for AI. With the business value of AI becoming clearer each day, SingularityNET wants to build a decentralized protocol for creators and users of AI to interact with each other. Of course, we can't guarantee the future value of the token, but we believe that SingularityNET has great potential for growth and profitability in the long term. With a strong team and a growing community of supporters, SingularityNET is definitely a project to watch in the coming years. Last but not least, we have Artificial Liquid Intelligence, also known as Ollie. This is a decentralized AI platform that is using machine learning algorithms to predict market trends and make investment decisions. Ollie's goal is to provide its users with accurate and timely market insights, enabling them to make informed investment decisions. The platform uses advanced AI algorithms to analyze large amounts of data, such as social media trends and news feeds, to identify market trends and provide real-time insights. So there you have it, folks. These are the top 4 AI crypto coins that you need to know about right now. With their unique use cases and potential for growth, these coins are definitely worth investing in. But remember, investing in cryptocurrencies is always risky, so make sure you do your own research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Thanks for watching our video. We really appreciate your time and hope that it was helpful for you. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you'll be supporting us to continue creating more informative and valuable videos for you to benefit from. Also, don't forget to check out our other videos, which you can easily find on the screen. We cover a wide range of topics related to finance, so there's something for everyone. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.